Okay, further from yesterday, I have made just slight few changes on here, just because I didn't want to overload you guys with information. So if you look closely and you have actually already made the sketch and actually followed the steps of how I showed you to measure, you will see that going down this line, so concentrate on this line here. So starting off from the shoulders and this area here that's in between the chest and the shoulder, I have measured on the actual outfit on how far down this area is. So from the shoulder down to here, it's 5 inch, so I've marked that over here. Then again, from the shoulder to chest, where the chest area begins, I've marked that that's 8 inches. So from here to there it's 8, from here to here it's 5. Then again, from shoulder down to where the waist starts, it's 13.5. Again, from shoulder all the way to hip, it's 19.5. So what we're doing here is calculating how many inches it is from top to where the area starts. So again, from the top where this starts, from the top again where the waist starts, and then from the top again where the hips start. So for those of you again who have already done this from yesterday, will notice that I've got this here that wasn't there yesterday. So all I've done there, I will give you time to do it, is look at the measurements that you've got. So for instance, the shoulders are 14 inch and I've halved it. So if you look here, it says shoulder 14 inch, and on here I've done shoulder 7 inch, so that's exactly half. Then this area again in between the shoulder and the chest, it says that it's 13.5. So I've divided that by 2, halved it, so that comes to 6 3/4 inch. Then the chest area was 20, I've halved it and it's 10. Same with the waist, which is 18.5 inches, and it should be 9.25. The hip area is 21 and I've put it down at 10.5. And then the width of the kameez at the bottom, which says 22 inches, I've put it down at 11. So all I've done is taken all the measurements individually, halved them, and then wrote them down here just for me to remember. So just to take away any confusion, I'm going to go through how I got these measurements here. So that one there, that one there, that one there, that one there. So first of all, this 5.5 inch from the shoulder to where this area in between the chest and shoulder is, it's here. So that's this bit here. So all I've done is put the measuring tape there and checked how far down it comes, which is 5 inches. So there's the 5 inch. Then that's the chest area where it begins, and it was 8 inches. So that's 8 inches there. So the waist comes down at about 13.5 inches. That's there, here. And then the hip area is around 19.5 inches, which is parallel to the hip area. So that's how I've written down the measurements.